kick settings. All right, we're going to start match number 19. Here we go in 3, 2, 1, go. All right, got the autonomous mode. Let's see, I've seen a bunch of different strategies for autonomous during this tournament. They all seem pretty good. Oh, looks like Blue Alliance. Oh, he thought he had a block. He didn't quite have it. Can he still collect the foundation? Red Alliance, we have at least one parked under the bridge. I don't think the second one is quite there. Good try, though. All right, Blue Alliance got one parked under the bridge.
Driver,
we'll let the ref see if that foundation was delivered in time.
3, 2, 1.
And here we go for teleop mode. I'm pretty sure this is still anyone's game. Air Raid is collecting blocks from the quarry. Oh, well, we have their teammates delivering that foundation to the build site. Oh, I don't see any robots moving over on blue side. There we go. We got one going. Still plenty of time left. We can get the other one going too. Incognito. There we go. Looks like we have 2 alive robots ready to collect some stones. All right. On the other side, we got the rubber ducks delivering those stones to the foundation. Don't quite see any skyscrapers building up just yet, but remember, you still get points just for getting the stones on the foundations. Lots of motion here. Still anyone's game. That's Incognito. It's delivering another stone. I think we have some teamwork sort of building up here. Switching off, delivering one, then the other. It's the rolling bots coming with a stone. Trying to make it 4. Oh, so close. That stone was on the foundation, but looks like it rolled off for Red Alliance. That's endgame started. Endgame. Remember, during the endgame, we want to remove those foundations from the worksite, park in the worksite, and if possible, get those capstones onto the foundation. Still got 12 seconds left, 12 seconds to park. Oh, looks like Red Alliance got both parked. Blue Alliance got both parked. Oh, very close. I think this is going to be another close match. We'd have quite a few today. Good job, Red Alliance, and good job, Blue Alliance. Scores for 18?